Hi, I'm going to read the 7.5 experimental design practice, Erika's cake. Directions. Read the following paragraphs and then answer the questions that follow. Use complete sentences to answer all questions. Be sure to restate the question in your answer. Erika baked a cake for her mother's birthday. When the cake was taken from the oven, Erika noticed that the cake had not risen. She guessed that the oven did not heat to the correct temperature. She set up the following experiment to test her hypothesis. First, Erika put a thermometer in the oven. She then turned the oven dial to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. She noticed that the preheating light came on when she turned the oven on. She waited until the preheating light went out, indicating that the oven was up to the specified temperature. Erika then read the thermometer she had placed inside the oven. It read 375 degrees. Erika concluded that the oven was heating properly. Conclusion questions. What was Erika's problem? What was Erika's hypothesis? What was Erika's conclusion? Which step in the scientific method do you think Erika should do next? Explain your reasoning. List two other hypotheses which might explain why the cake did not rise.